Hi, it's me, Big Bird, and I want to talk to you about asking questions. Now, a question is what you ask somebody when there's something you want to find out.
Hi.
Like Zoe, what are you doing with a banana on your head?
Oh, you mean this banana?
Of course, that banana.
I had a feeling you were gonna ask me that question. I'm gonna do my banana dance.
Banana dance? What's a banana dance?
This. Banana, 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 banana.
Well, there you have it. I asked a question and I found out what I wanted to know.
Wait, Big Bird. I have a question for you, too.
You do? What is it, Zoe?
Did you like my banana dance?
Well, yeah, sure. It was lovely. Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, goody! Because I'm going to do it for you again.